Hi there, in this video I'm giving away some free film grain. So this is going to be grain scans from a film that I shot recently called the Ilford PanF Plus, which is kind of a chunky, slow black and white film with some really nice texture to it. So let's take a look at these overlays. There's going to be 4 different files when you download and extract this pack. The 2 first ones, called the OG1 and the OG2, are the original scans straight from the lab. The OG1 is going to be the cleaner one, as you can see, while the OG2 got some kind of interesting artifacts. There's a weird sort of blotch here in the middle, and there's some dust specks here and there as well. The 2 other ones here, they're just copies of the 2 first ones, but I went ahead and raised the exposure a tiny bit on these 2 because when you add grain overlays like this, you usually lose a tiny bit of light on your base picture. So these will get you there faster and easier in a way. But let's go ahead and see what they look like if we put them on some actual footage. So the first one here, this one is taken with my filmic base profile. And I'm thinking the OG2 on this one to see if we can get the blotch here to show against the sky. So let's set the blend mode to overlay, and yeah. I kind of like this, and you do see the the weird blotch here in the middle and the tiny dust specks as well. So I'm kind of digging this. So let's do another one, and this one here is taken with my Fujifilm X-T4, and let's do the OG1 here. And I'm thinking let's try the soft light instead of overlay on this one to see what happens. Yeah, I think I like the soft light better than the overlay on this one here, so let's keep it at that. Now, just a tiny heads up, this is going to be some pretty chunky grain, so it might not be the perfect fit for all of your images, but when you're looking for that coarser, heavier grain texture, these are certainly going to get the job done. Now, there's going to be a download link in the description, and as always, these are going to be 100% free for you to download and use for your personal images. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Okay, bye.